Okay, good morning, students. Yesterday we explained about how to find the determinant using cofactors. Using cofactors, how to find the determinant of a matrix. If the elements of any row and multiples of cofactors of with the same row, the sum of the multiples of sum of the multiples of elements and cofactors is equal to det A. And here the next point is, if the elements of any row are multiplied with the cofactors of other row, any other row, if the elements of a row and multiplied with the cofactors of any other row, then their sum is 0. That means we will take one example. Let A equal to, I will prove this one, A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A33. Then here the statement is, if the elements of a row and multiplied with cofactors of any other row, any other row. Suppose if you considered A11 capital A21, A11 capital A21 plus A12 capital A22 capital A22, A13 capital A23. This value must be 0. This value must be 0. If you take any one row elements and corresponding to other row cofactors, the sum of the product of one row elements and cofactors of any other row elements. If you take here, I am taken the first row elements and second row cofactors. Or if you take first row elements and third row cofactors, the value is 0. In the same way, column, if you take first column elements and second column cofactors, first column elements and second column cofactors, and first column elements, second column third column cofactors, the value must be 0 if the same row elements and if you say take same row cofactors, the product of sum of those elements is equal to 0. Same row and same row cofactors, if you consider, the value is det A. The value is det A. If one row elements and any other row cofactors, one row elements, any other row cofactors, if you consider, the determinant value is 0. A11 capital A21 plus A12 capital A22 plus A13 capital A23. Here one row elements, any other row cofactors, the value becomes 0. Here the symbols we can consider here A11 capital A21. A21 means the sum is 2 plus 1, 3 odd number. That's why you have to consider minus determinant of left the row and column, left the row and column, and write down the determinant of remaining elements. What are those elements? A12, A13, A32, A32, A33. Next, plus A12 capital A22. Here A22 means 2 plus 2, 4. It is even. Then we'll get plus value. Here A22 is present in the second row and second column, second row and second column, second row and second column. Left that row and column, left that row and column. Write down the determinants of remaining elements. Left here second row and second column. The remaining elements are A11, A13, A11, A13, A31, A31, A33. Next, you see that next A13 plus A13, here 2 plus 3, 5, it is odd number, 2 plus 3, 5, it is odd number. Then we have to consider minus left that row and column where A23 is present. A23 is present in the second row and third column. Second row and third column. Left the second row and third column and write down the determinant of remaining elements. Second row and third column. left the write down the determinant of remaining elements. What are the remaining elements? A11, A12, A11, A12, A31, A31, A32. Now simplify this one. It is A11 minus here A12, A33 minus A13, A32. Next plus A12, A12 plus A12. Next A11, A33 minus A13, A31. Here plus into minus, it is minus A13 minus A13 into A11, A32, A11, A32 minus A12, A12 into A31, A31. Okay, now if you multiply this one, it is minus A11, A12, A33. Here minus into minus plus A11, A13, A32. Next here plus A11 into A12, A33. Next plus into minus minus A12, A13, A31. Here minus A11, A13, A32. Here minus into minus plus A12, A13, A31. Here see that minus A11 plus A1 minus A11 into A12, A33. This is minus value and this is plus value. Next see that A11, A13, A32. It is plus value, it is minus value, get cancel. Next see that A12, A13, A31 minus value and it is plus value, get cancel. The value is 0. That here I am considered the first row elements and second row cofactors. First row elements and second row cofactors. Similarly, if you take first row elements and the third row cofactors, the value must be 0. Next, first column elements, second column cofactors. First column element, third column cofactors. Or if you consider here second column elements and third column cofactors, or if you consider third column elements and first column cofactors, in that way, if you take any one row elements and corresponding to any other row cofactors, if you take the product of the sum of those values must be equal to 0. Similarly, we can write here, similarly, A11, A31, capital A31, A11, capital A31, A12, A12, capital A32, A12, capital A32, plus A13, capital A33. This value is also 0. This value is also 0. In the same way, we can write first column elements and second column cofactors. First column and third column cofactors. In that way, we can prove that the value is 0. If you take the same row elements and the same row cofactors, the value must be equal to determinant of A. Determinant of A. Already yesterday class we proved that one. This is one row cofactors and any other row, one row elements and corresponding to any other row cofactors. The value must be equal to 0. Now already in the 4.4 exercise yesterday to second problem completed. Now write down the third problem. Now see the try down third problem. Using cofactors of the elements of second row. Using cofactors of the elements of second row. Using cofactors of elements of cofactors of elements of second row. Second row. Evaluate determinant of 532 532 201 201 123 123. Evaluate the determinant using second row cofactors. Second row cofactors, that means you have to apply the second row elements and second row cofactors. Here it is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Symbols are plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Delta equal to, you have to consider the second row elements, that is second row elements A12 and second row cofactors, capital A12, A22, capital A22 plus A23, capital A23. Using the second row cofactors, you have to find out the determinant value. That means here the second row elements are A21, A22, A23. Cofactors, corresponding cofactors are capital A21 plus A22, A23. Now write down A21. A21 means what is the element 2? Here capital A21 for cofactors, what is the sign? Minus sign. Minus of, left that row and column, write down the determinant of remaining elements 3, 2, 2, 3. Next A22, it is the element is 0. A22 means plus sign, left second row and second column, 5, 2, 1, 3. 5213. Next plus A23. A23 means the element is 1. Here it is minus. A23 means minus because here sum is 2 plus 3 5 negative. That's why minus. Left the second row and third column. Write down the determinants of remaining elements. Left second row and third column 5 3 5 3 1 2 5 3 1 2. Then it is 2 into, it is minus of 3 3 is 9, minus 4. Here 0 into this total value, it becomes 0. It is plus into minus, minus 5 2 is 10, minus 3. Then it is 2 into 9 minus 4, minus 5. Here it is 10 minus 3. Then 2 minus 5 minus 10 minus 7. The value is minus 17. Note down the students. Here you have to consider it as an example. Next, the textbook problem we are given 8. Using that also we can solve once again. Here 5, 3, 8. In the textbook, in the place of 2, 8 is given. If you solve that one, it is again 2 into minus left this row and column 3, 8, 2, 3 plus A22 0, left this row and column, 5, 8, 1, 3, 5, 8, 1, 3. Next plus A23 means 1. The symbol is here minus left second row and third column 5, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2. Then it is 2 into 3, 3 is 9, 8, 2, 16. This value becomes 0, here minus 10 minus 3. From this it is 9 minus 16, 9 minus 16, minus 7, minus into minus plus, 2 into 7, it is minus 7. 14 minus 7, that equal to 7. Next, note down the fourth problem. Using the cofactors of the elements of third column. Using cofactors of elements of third column. Fourth problem. Using elements of third column. Evaluate determinant of 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, yz, zx, zx, xy. 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, zx, xy. Here given delta equal to determinant of 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, yz, zx, xy, yz, zx, xy, yz, zx, xy. This is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Here it is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus the symbols. Here using the elements of third column, that means A13, A23, A33, this column and corresponding cofactors to evaluate this determinant value. Delta equal to using third column, that means A13 capital A13 plus A23 capital A23 plus A33 capital A33. Here A13 means it is YZ. Here A13 1 plus 3, that means it is plus only. Left the first row and third column 1Y 1Z. Next A23 means ZX 2, 3. Here the minus symbol is there, then it is minus A 2, 3. Left second row and third column, then it is 1x, 1z, 1x, 1z. Next A33 means it is xy plus only your left third row and third column 1x, 1y, 1x, 1y. Then it is yz, it is z minus y. Here plus into minus, minus zx, it is z minus x, z minus x. Here it is plus xy, y minus x, plus xy, y minus x. Okay, here multiply this one, this becomes yz square minus y square z minus z square x minus into minus plus zx square plus xy square minus x square y minus x square y. Now see that, rearrange the terms. Here yz as it is, you have to take the common, it is z minus y. You see that from these two terms, if you take x is common, minus z square plus y square, or if you take minus x is common, this becomes z square minus y square, z square minus y square. Now see the, from the remaining two terms, x square is common, then it is z minus y. Now see the total in three terms, here z minus y, here z minus y, here z square minus y square we can written as z plus y into z minus y, z square minus y square we can written as z plus y into z minus y, here z minus y is there. From total three terms we can take z minus y is common, take z minus y is common, z minus y is common, take z minus y is common, then it is yz minus x into, here if you z square minus y square, if you take z minus y is common, it becomes z plus y, here z minus y is common, then it is x square. Now again here z minus y, it is yz minus zx minus xy plus x square, Now see that here z minus y is common. Here see that from these two terms, if you take z is common, it is y minus x. Now see that from these two terms, minus x is common, then it is y minus x. Then it is z minus y, here y minus x is common, then z minus x. Now take from this x is from this minus is common, from this also minus is common, from the, then it becomes minus into minus plus, it is x minus y Here minus and here minus, minus into minus plus. That's why x minus y, it is y minus z into z minus x. That is the final answer. Therefore, determinant of 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, x, y, z, y, z plus zx, zx plus xy equal to x minus y minus z into z minus x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. Note down. Next, fifth problem. It is a multiple choice question. This is also chance for 1 mark question. Already I am given two conditions. From those two conditions, directly we can write the answer for this problem. Here, if delta equal to determinant of A11, determinant of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and Aij is a cofactor of cofactor of Aij. Then the value of then value of delta is given by value of delta is given by here option A is given A11, A31, A12, A32 plus A13, A23. Second one, A11, capital A11, A12, A21, A13, A31. Option C. A21, capital A11, A22, capital A12, A23, capital A13. Option D. A11, capital A11, A21, capital A21, A21, A13, A31, A31, capital A31. Here see that if you observe the first option, what is the first option? A11 capital A31. A11 is first row, first column element. A31. A31 is third row, first column element. But what is the determinant value is equal to taking the same row elements and same row cofactors. That means we can eliminate this one. Next you see that A11 capital A11 first row and first row cofactor. If you observe the second element A12 first row element, A12 first row element, but second row cofactor, yes, he has taken A21 first row element and second row cofactor. This element cofactor is taken. That means it is not answer. Next, A21 capital A1. A21 means second row element, the cofactor is first row cofactor. It is not answer. Observe this one. A11 capital A11 first row element and for the same element corresponding cofactor. Next, A21 capital A21, A31 capital A31. That means this fourth option is using this one. A11, A21, A31. Okay, that's why you're using first column elements and first column cofactors. A11 capital A11, A21 capital A21 plus A31 capital A31. Therefore, this value is the determinant of the given matrix. Fourth option. That 4.4 exercise is completed. Next, see the next concept. Adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Adjoint and inverse of a matrix. First, you have to write the cofactors matrix. Cofactors matrix. First, I will explain. After that, I will give the notes. First, listen. Let A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a square matrix of order 3. Is a square matrix of order 3. It is a square matrix of order 3. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is a square matrix of order 3. Suppose in this matrix, each element is replaced by its corresponding cofactor. If each element is replaced by its corresponding cofactors, that is called cofactors matrix. Cofactors matrix of A. Direct in the each element, replace that element by its corresponding cofactor. Here A11 is there. Replace that one by its corresponding cofactor. A11, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. A11, A12 capital. That means each element is replaced by its corresponding cofactors. That means cofactors matrix means if in a square matrix, each element is replaced by its corresponding cofactors, then that new matrix is called, the cofactors matrix of the given matrix A. Cofactors matrix of the given matrix A. Cofactors matrix means if in a square matrix, each element is replaced by its corresponding cofactors, each element is replaced by its corresponding cofactors, then that matrix is called, cofactors matrix. Next, adjoint of A. Adjoint of matrix A. Adjoint of matrix A is denoted by edge A, here, and it is defined as, here already we find the cofactors matrix, and already we know that in matrices what is meant by a transpose of a matrix. If a matrix, if you interchange the rows and columns, then that matrix is called transpose of the given matrix. If in a matrix, if you interchange the rows and columns, or rows as columns, or columns as rows, that matrix is called transpose of the given matrix. Here already we know that the cofactors matrix means a matrix is replaced by each element by its corresponding cofactors. Each element is replaced by its corresponding cofactors. Then the matrix is called cofactors matrix. And if you write the transpose of the cofactors matrix, that matrix is called transpose of the cofactors matrix. That matrix is called adjoint of A. Already we know that transpose of a matrix we are learned in matrices. The transpose of matrix. That means you have to write the first row elements in first column. First row elements you have to, here what are the first row elements? A11, A12, A13. Write down in first column. First row elements you have to write down in first column. That is A11, A12, A13. First row elements you have to write in first column. Next, second row elements write down in second column. That is A21, A21, A22, A22, A23. Next, third row cofactors write down in third column. Third row cofactors write down in third column. That is A31, A32, A33. This is called adjoint of the given matrix. Once again, I am repeating. First, the given matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It is a square matrix of order 3. This square matrix, if you replace each element by its cofactors, then the matrix is called cofactors matrix. And if you write the transpose of this cofactors matrix, that is called adjoint of the given matrix. First, write down cofactors matrix. If in a square matrix, square matrix, each element if in a square matrix each element is replaced by its corresponding replaced by its corresponding cofactors, each element replaced by its corresponding cofactors. Then the matrix is called cofactors matrix. Cofactors matrix. Write down this one, A equal to this one. Next it is cofactors matrix. Next, adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix. A. Adjoint of matrix A. Adjoint of matrix A is denoted by adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. And it is defined as adjoint of a matrix A is denoted by adjoint A, and it is defined as the transpose of the cofactors matrix. Defined as the transpose of the cofactors matrix. Transpose of cofactors matrix. Cofactors matrix. In your textbook, another definition is given. Note down that definition also. The adjoint of a square matrix. Adjoint of a square matrix. The adjoint of a square matrix A equal to Aij of order n by n. The adjoint of a square matrix A equal to Aij of order n is defined as the transpose of the matrix Aij, the transpose of the matrix Aij, where Aij is the cofactor of Aij. Is the cofactor of Aij. The adjoint of the matrix A. Adjoint of matrix A is denoted by adjoint of A. Is denoted by adjoint of A. Write down this one. Adjoint A equal to, can I write this definition or this, anyone? Adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint of a matrix A is denoted by adjoint A, and it is defined as the transpose of cofactors. Cofactors matrix is nothing but each element is replaced by its corresponding cofactors. Each element is replaced by its corresponding cofactors. If it is completed, write down an example. Okay, write down one problem. Find the adjoint of A. Find the adjoint of A. Find the adjoint of A equal to 1 2. Adjoint of A 2 3 1 4. 2 3 1 4. Given A equal to 2 3 1 4. A equal to 2 3 1 4. This is A11, A12, A21, A22. Cofactor of A11 is capital A11. Here left this row and column 1 plus 1 even, then direct way to write. Next, cofactor of A12 is capital A12. This element left this row and column. Here 1 plus 2, 3 odd number. That means here for this plus minus plus you have to consider for the elements. Here 1 plus 2, 3 minus A12 means this element left this row and column. Where the element is present, left that row and column, then it is minus 1. Next, cofactor of A21 is capital A21. Left this row and column, the element is 2 plus 1 3, then you have to consider minus. Next, cofactor of A22 is capital A22. Left this row and column, A2 plus 2 4, it is plus. Adjoint A equal to, you see that first two elements are first row cofactors. Write down in first column, that is A11, A12. Second two elements are second row cofactors. Write down in second column, A21, A22. This is equal to A11 4, A12 minus 1, A22, A21 minus 3, A22 2. That is the, for this 2 by 2 matrix, directly we can write, if any matrix is given, directly we can write adjoint of A. Suppose to note down that note also. Let A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Adjoint A equal to, change the principal diagonal elements, interchange the principal diagonal elements, It is A11, A22. Interchange these two elements, A22, A11. Change the sign for secondary diagonal elements, that is minus A12 minus A21. Directly we can write the answer by remembering this condition. Change the principal diagonal elements, that is A22, A11. Change the sign for the remaining elements. Now observe your answer. What is the problem? 2, 3, 1, 4. Change the principal diagonal elements. Here see that 4 and 2. Here 2 and 4 is there. It is 4 and 2. Change the sign for the secondary diagonal elements. Here 3 is there, minus 3. Here 1 is there, minus 1. For 2 by 2 matrix, directly we can write adjoint A. Okay, students, the next concept in the next class we'll see.